over to take a picture. I've always wanted a picture like this. Yeah, so basically the picture I'm taking right now is a railroad shot. You know, typical railroad shot with the railroad tracks, and I really want one with a barn in the background for some reason. I've always wanted one of those. It seems like too high of an incline. That's fine, I'll only be here for a little bit, and this bike's heavy as balls, so it's not moving anywhere. So I'll post a picture that I took right now. Hopefully it turned out well. Alright, took some pictures and we'll be headed on the road. This looks like some moon planet. It's literally like fur until they're spread apart.